but you a stepper, nigga. I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga?
God, he already starting already. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, these two cars right here are gonna be racing. 2019 M550, 2020 M340i. They both XDRIVE, you feel me? So they gonna do a dig in a roll. That's what y'all doing, right? Dig in a roll.
Why is this nigga always dressed up so fresh?
What do you mean, bro? I have a tank top on.
Be that secret. No, it's still gonna be there. Secret. You press traction control one time, put it in that launch control. That's what it's called. No, you press it one time.
One time?
Okay.
One time.
It's not my car. That's an advantage to him.
Not your car key. Alright, so they gonna do a dig in a roll. Y'all doing just one dig, one roll?
Yeah, one dig, one roll.
What, 40 roll, 30 roll? Like, what's the roll? 40 roll. Alright, so that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna do the comparison. They both stock, but Q, he got engine mods, but he don't want to tell nobody. But
You want to put my engineer?
he full bolt-on tuned, ain't it?
I'm not no damn fool.
He full, hey, Robert, dog cheating. He full bolt-on tuned already. Full bolt-on tuned, look at that.
Full bolt-on stock. No bolt-on.
Full bolt-on tuned. Bomba. Wait, that's the intake? I mean, that's the downpipe?
Bro.
Downpipe down there?
Stock down.
You got 4-inch downpipe? But yeah, they about to get their races down right now. You feel me? I'm gonna be a little spectator. You know, I'm stocky stock. I'm a slow guy. I don't be doing none of that. But new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload and we catch the action on camera. You feel me? You ain't gonna make it. Don't move. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, he gonna lose. He gonna lose. I feel like he gonna lose. He gonna lose.
He'll probably get the V8 off the line, but
He gonna lose, bro. Cause how the V8 took off, nah, he gonna lose. Yeah, he gonna lose. It's the roll. Yeah. The math ain't mathing. Hold on.
look at this shit.
Oh, there it go.
There we go.
God. That's the game.
I'm just saying. What the hell?
So what happened? So what happened?
So weird. I don't know.
For like the car that I have.
For the car y'all had. But all right, so the race that he gave you the jump, did you still lose by a car? Like how bad you lost when he gave you the jump?
When he gave me the jump,
Yeah.
I won.
When he gave you the jump, you won.
Yeah. That was the last one where like you see me like. I think I
Yeah.
was 2
So if he gives you the jump, you gonna win.
Yeah, basically.
Type shit.
Bro, I raced that C63S AMG.
Today? The white one?
Yeah. My car surprised me. I kept up with it. I was like, he only beat me by a fender. That's a V8 twin turbo. I'm trying to tell you, Ben's slow. No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing.
Yo, this man be talking crazy. Dog. So M550. Oh shit. As you can see, M550 got it versus the M340i. This one, most of the races when he gave him the jump, this one won. But that's the comparison. So we just did a little, huh? Me and Q, I'm not. I ain't racing. I ain't doing nothing. This stock. We ain't gonna get into that. Crystal. Huh? Oh, crystal shifter? Hey, what we installing today, bro?
Parts. Body parts.
Yo, this joint smell like gas. That's your front lip right there? That's what you installed?
Heat gun first.
That's a heat gun. You ain't got the fishing line?
That's exactly where you left it.
Heat gun. Sheesh. New parts. What we installing?
Top mount turbo.
Top mount turbo. So we gotta pop the bonnet. We gotta get Robert's warranty and everything. Yeah. Top mount.
Why you at the back?
Good mod. No time.
You need a heat gun for a top mount turbo?
Yeah.
We should have went to professionals.
Hey bro, I'm trying to be like you when I grow up. The wing is off and it's up on the wall.
Imagine if it drop.
Yo, what's the flashlight gonna do? It's daytime outside. The man put the flashlight on.
Alright, so I got the wing up on the wall right now.
Yo,
What's going on? This is going on.
Jeez. What? Did I not just help you take the wing
Oh,
off?
you did it. It's not caught on video. So
Not caught on video. How was I supposed to record it? Use my strength. Not possible.
You see what I'm doing?
Bro, you ain't doing nothing, bro.
I'm doing a lot.
Can't you just put it over it?
Nah.
The new one?
I mean, you can, but I don't want to.
Try going up and down, like from.
Oh, you trying to be a perfectionist? Cause if it covers it, there's no reason really to like take all this off until you.
You want this thing to fly up, huh?
Nah, bro. Did you get heavy duty 3M tape?
Yeah,
Or you got regular?
I got regular 3M tape.
You tripping? You got to get that heavy duty, cause you know this is machine, right?
No, it's not machine.
What yo? What's your top speed? You can see your top speed in here. Probably went like 200
I don't know what you're talking about.
Kilometers an hour.
kilometers.
Alright, I'll bring it back to you guys.
Oh man.
I mean, most people.
Uh-oh. So right now we going to the mark of the wall, cause
Why you
Nah.
This man loved to copy me, bro. I said,
wow.
we going to Mark Wall.
I was saying you didn't let me finish.
All right, go
I said we going to the mark of the wall, cause this dweeb forgot some shit. Now, now,
I'm about to start my video.
We going to Walmart, cause this idiot talking about we going to mark of the wall.
Mark of the wall.
Fucking dweeb.
Can't let them know your next move, bro. What's wrong with you?
Bro, shut up.
We going to Mark of the wall, bro. Hurry up and drive the damn car, bro.
Drive the bro, get out.
Drive the damn car.
Get out.
Bro, drive the damn car, bro.
Alright, bro, this man think this shit a game, bro. How about
What you gonna do?
How about what I'm gonna do?
You gonna leave me on the side of the road?
What you mean,
Hey,
bro?
chill out, bro.
Chill out. Make you hop out right now. I'm going to mark the wall. Damn, I went the wrong way.
Dumbass nigga.
Duh.
Bro. Oh my god.
Nah, bro. I
That's the
think it's
reason why we taking so long with this install. Cause this man not.
So it's my fault.
attention.
So it's my
He's not
fault.
paying attention.
So it's my
You
fault.
over here worried about Walmart slash Mark of the wall.
Mark.
This nigga
Idiot.
bro.
Oh my gosh.
We going to Mark of the wall because I'm trying to get this 3M tape removed up.
And he forgot. He talking about me. I be forgetting stuff. He forgot.
No, I thought I could take it off with my fingers.
Your fingers?
When I was watching the video, he took it off with his fingers pretty easy. So I'm thinking this man probably got some rugged ass fingers because I don't know how in the world he just did that.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
We had it in Walmart. Just know that.
Mark of the wall.
Alright,
Not
bro.
Walmart.
After detailing this man's car.
Oh, we didn't even detail it.
The spoiler is on. What is this, a high kick, right? Mm-hmm. You actually cleaning it right now?
Yeah.
It looks good though. High kick style, carbon fiber, you feel me? It's clean. But we on to the next parts. What's the next part you about to install?
I think the mirror cap's next.
Mirror caps. So just did the carbon fiber wing. About to do the carbon fiber mirror caps. While we do the mirror caps, we're also going to do his smoke sequentials. So when we do that, I'm going to pick up the cam while we're out there installing it. When they're on.
Riding stones, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave 5. He on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit, I ate, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, run, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play about mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play about mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure. Got cold feet, that mean sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me your motto. Your own dime won't let you grease. It can't be me, cause me, I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JBB, Frank One, Nixon, and El Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Not a little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, Gotta be smoking runs. Leave it at one. Gotta be smoking Zaza.